first thing we look at in every meeting is our cash flow. We're, the projections of, and we're looking at projections, when COVID just started, it was just, okay, in a couple months, what are we going to do for the next month? Then
right.
the 3 months. How are we going to do with the summer? And we put projections of best case, worst case, and then, middle case. And our best case was, were we going to do 70% of our volumes from before? And I have to tell you, David, by putting the systems in place that we did, our September and October were the best we've ever done.
Wow.
Because we were looking at things, we were, we modified, we changed what we were doing. And, for the restaurant, one of the things that was mandated for us is that we either had to use laminated menus, which I knew weren't going to work, because that meant that someone had to clean them. And we were already into, sanitizing, cleaning everything. And, I just was concerned. I think our whole group was concerned. So we decided to do disposable. We'll just do a new paper with every guest. Well, what that did for us is we could change our menu every single day.
Yeah.
We could modify it. We could modify the pricing, and it had to be on one page. So we had to cut back on the number of menu items, which you teach that every single month.
Yep.
So it's just that kind of thing.
If you're tired of not being able to leave your restaurant because no one else knows how to run it, I want to make sure you know it doesn't have to be that way. You can leave your restaurant. It is possible to build a team of people who know how you want the restaurant to run. With these trained and responsible people in place, you can give yourself time away. What would you do if you had time away from your restaurant? Would you sleep better? Would your relationships improve? Would you feel more relaxed? These are all things you deserve to experience as a business owner. It's why we own our own businesses. If you would like to learn how to own a restaurant that doesn't depend on you to be successful, click the link in the description to watch a free training course that teaches you exactly what you have to do. Also, be sure to subscribe to get my weekly tips and watch these 2 videos to get more information and guidance for running a successful restaurant.